Hello, my name is Bella. Welcome to the presentation. This presentation was made to the marketing team, the growth team, product managers, engineering teams. It's a presentation that is made to present the results of an A/B test that was carried out. It's about expanding Globox's reach, and we're testing the impact of promoting food and drinks on the website's homepage. So we'll go on quickly to the agenda. We have testing the impact of promoting food and drinks on the website. We have the results of the A/B test and recommendations of whether to launch or not to launch, and then the conclusion. So let's have a bit of background about Globox. As we know, Globox is primarily focused on fashion items and decor products, which are lifestyle products, but they've decided to extend their product line to add food and drinks to their new product offering. And the objective is to increase revenue by bringing awareness to the new product line. So let's go on quickly to the test setup. The test was carried out between two groups, the control group, Group A, and the test or treatment group, Group B. The control group is the group that would not see the banner when they log on to the website, and the test group would see the banner when they log on. And the users were randomly assigned to these groups, and the sample size, that's the number of customers in the control group, between the control and treatment group, was fairly distributed. After the test was carried out using statistical techniques, we found out that the average amount spent by customers who did not see the banner was $3.37, and the customers who saw the banner spent on the average $3.39. Then the conversion rate, I'll explain the conversion rate. It's the actual amount of customers who eventually make a purchase after they log on to the website. So for the control group, it was 3.92%, and for the treatment, 4.63%. So what does this result actually mean? It means that on the average, there was no significant difference between the average amount spent by customers in the control and treatment group. However, there was actually a difference in the conversion rate of customers between the two groups. So the conversion rate for customers in the treatment group was significantly higher than that of customers in the control group. So what can we derive from this? Do we launch or not? Based on our test conditions and the parameters, we could see that the conversion rate was significantly improved, but this did not increase the revenue because the average amount spent was not increased. However, we have to consider that many businesses use this conversion rate as a metric to improve their revenue. Although we did not see this result in our test, but it's worth taking note of. What do we have to consider? What are other factors to consider? We can look for or explore other ways to increase the average amount spent by customers, and there are different ways to do that. We could do improve product recommendations. We could implement loyalty programs. We could offer discounts on larger orders. We could do bulk or bundle products together. We could also upsell or cross-sell products. So these are different strategies to increase the average amount spent or average order value. Also, for us to consider whether to launch or not, we have to also take into consideration the cost implication for this new website. What is the impact of the new website experience on users, and the risk as well associated with this. And most importantly, for us to hold on to the positivity of the increase in conversion rate, we could iterate on this process. That means carry out the process over again, using different test parameters, adjusting the input until we get the required result that we need, which is to increase revenue. So that brings us to the end of the presentation. Now you can ask me questions. Thank you.